Welcome back, everybody. Thanks for joining us on another adventure. Little did we know that today was going to be a day that some of us would be remembering for a long time. Sit back, relax, and enjoy. And please don't forget to like and subscribe. looking back on this, there's a lot of what ifs and could have done's. But when you're in the moment, you try and do the best that you can. Luckily, no one got hurt, and we were all able to drive all the Jeeps home.
Back up. Zero, back up.
We're sliding.
Okay, we have a Jeep wreck. We are wiped out, people. I started up there, hit ice, slid all the way back, did everything we could. Here we are. We've got Jeep under a Jeep. Everybody's okay. We got quarter panel here, Jeep off. We got the whole group. Stay safe. It's easy to do. Hey everybody. All right, so we wrecked. I was going up the hill and my Jeep decided to slide out on me and proceeded to haul ass down the hill, and I slid into one other Jeep that was behind me. This white one, get my arrows right, wherever the hell, right there. And we wiped it out, so let's look at the carnage on it. Everybody's okay, but the Jeeps are messed up. So yeah, we'll see what we got here. Everything got hit here. This is broke. Bumper took a beating, but that right there did not be very nice to the front of Matt's poor Jeep. So worst part is we dented the hood here, and we dented the hood here. From both of my roto packs ended up on his hood. Oh, we will rebuild. But the rear, go around, we hit Sierra's Jeep sliding down the hill. We got carnage here. That one's all caved in. Then we got the diesel, the fender. It'll buff.
Even with the eventful morning, we still managed to find a spot, do some sledding, and have some fun.
And we got the whole group hanging out. This is what it's about right here. Good times.
Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.